All right, let's clean the front deck off in the front of the driveway. I am hands-free today. For my birthday, my wife and girls got me a GoPro Hero 13, I think it is. It is on my head. I will be curious how the video comes out compared to before. Every video I'd made thus far has been just on a iPhone 12 where I was holding with my hand. It's kind of a pain. We'll see how this comes out. It's easier to move. This is the wheeler. What are you doing? Must be a chipmunk or something. All I can hear snow blowers or generator. Sometimes lose power. Let's do the same thing over here and we'll get ready to plow this up. I think when I go to plow, I think I'm gonna do the tripod. That was actually my most popular video, was one of the plowing ones with the tripod. I went back and forth. I'm gonna do that again. Then to go up and down the driveway, I'll do the headband and see the difference in the two. This out of the way before I plow. There. And to keep your tank cleaned off for your driver. They appreciate it. Also let the sun hit your tank, keep your pressure up.